When you first try to pack up sleeping bag, you might find the bag is really small. How do I pack my sleeping bag inside? So here are some tips and tricks to help you. First, you fold your sleeping bag into thirds, or the size that you think your sleeping bag will fit within your bag. Make sure it's all dressed nicely, and then fold it in half again so that you can roll easier later on. Now, you start rolling up the sleeping bag. Make sure that the length of the sleeping bag matches when you roll so that it's not uneven, it's not clumped out in places. Now sit down and put your sleeping bag in between your legs so that the roll stays even and it doesn't fall out. Take your bag and put it over the sleeping bag. Slowly shove the sleeping bag inside bit by bit. You have to keep turning the sleeping bag and shoving a bit of your sleeping bag inside the bag. You repeat the process multiple times until the whole sleeping bag is within the sack. Yep. And once it's done, all you have to do is tighten the strap or the zipper or however your sack is used to enclose your sleeping bag, and that's all.